everyone, welcome to Shipra Easy Learning. In the last lecture we have seen the nature of roots of quadratic equation. On base of that we have solved three conditions and we also have solved some numericals based on three conditions. In today's lecture we are going to see the relation between the roots of coefficient and the quadratic equation. अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज जल्द से जल्द सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए जिससे आपको मेरे नए वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती चलेंगी. सो हम आज का लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं. राइट, और टॉपिक इज रिलेशन बिटवीन रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एंड कोएफिशिएंट. हमें इसमें क्या करना है, जो रिलेशन बताना है रूट्स के. रूट्स क्या है, अल्फा एंड बीटा. इन दोनों के रिलेशंस क्या क्या है वो हम बताने वाले हैं. राइट, so now what is alpha? मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में भी बोला था, I have even told in the last lecture that alpha is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, and beta is equals to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. And standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and उसका रूट क्या है, that is x is equals to minus b plus and minus साथ में रहता है उसमें, plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. But when it comes to alpha and beta, the sign goes divided, right? In alpha we use plus sign and beta we use minus sign, right? So now what is the relation between them, alpha and beta? That is alpha plus beta, right? I'm going to add this both relation. So now what is that? At the place of alpha, right? In the place of alpha I'm going to put this formula, and in the place of beta I'm going to replace this formula. So minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Middle sign is plus minus b at beta plus beta. So at the place of beta I'm going to replace this formula. So minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Right, now see here, minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Right, see now plus minus becomes minus, b minus plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now see here, see both the denominator have the same denominator, right? Even in the alpha is the 2a and beta is also 2a. So denominator are the same. So I can even do the base same method. So minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac. As the base are same, there will be no change. There will be no change in the numerator, right? So now see, now this is plus under root b square minus 4ac, and this is minus under root b square minus 4ac. The opposite sign gets cancelled, that is 0. Now what is remaining, minus b that becomes minus 2b upon 2a. Understood? Now see here, what is the change in here? 2 gets cancelled. So what is remaining? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So I got the relation of alpha plus beta. So the alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. This formula will be used in the further exercise, right? The next relation, that is the alpha and beta will remain the same, right? What will the change? That is the relation between alpha and beta will change. Last we have done, that is addition. The relation was addition. Now in this we are going to see the relation, that is multiplication, right? So alpha and beta won't change. The formula won't change of alpha and beta, right? Only the relation is going to be changed, alpha into beta. Here the relation is multiplication. So at the place of alpha I am going to put this formula, that is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, right, into, again at the place of beta, the beta's formula, that is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, right? So now we have to multiply b into b, minus b into minus b becomes b square, minus plus b into b, that is b square. Now plus under root b square minus 4ac minus under root b square minus 4ac plus minus minus, and under root b square minus 4ac into under root b square minus 4ac becomes b square minus 4ac. As we have seen the numerals also, under root 3 into under root 3 becomes 3. Similarly, under root b square minus 4ac into under root b square minus 4ac becomes b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac upon, see now denominator have the same base, right? Denominator are the same. So 2 2s are 4. A into a, that is a square. So this becomes a square, right? So now see here, I am going to open this bracket as minus sign is outside. So sign inside the bracket goes change. So now b square minus b square, this is minus minus plus 4ac whole upon 4a square. See here, plus b square minus b square plus 1 minus 1, that is 0. So similarly b square minus b square, that is 0. And what is remaining here? Plus 4ac whole upon 4a square, right? See here, 4ac upon 4a square. 4 gets cancelled. See here, a square, you can write a square in the form a into a square is a into a. So single a and single a gets cancelled. What is remaining here? C by a. So what is alpha into beta is equals to C by a. We have seen here two relations. First was alpha plus beta, and this is alpha into beta. I think so you have understood this relation. See here now, obtain the quadratic equation if roots are alpha and beta. In this, what you have to do is, you have given two roots, right? That is one for alpha and one for beta, and you have to form a quadratic equation on basis of that roots. In this, we are going to use this relation between quadratic equation that we have solved in the last 5 minutes. That is alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. We are going to use that both formula. We are going to solve this sum, right? So how to obtain the quadratic equation? See here now, for x is equals to alpha, right? This is first root, and for x is equals to beta, this is root number 2. So now if I'm going to do alpha put this side, right? I'm going to shift alpha this side, and this is plus alpha. When I'm going to shift this side, it will become minus alpha. So that is x minus alpha is equals to 0, and x minus beta is equals to 0, right? I got the two expression, that is alpha, x minus alpha is equals to 0 and x minus beta is equals to 0. So now therefore x minus alpha into x minus beta is equals to 0. This is in the form a minus b into a minus b. See, now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to multiply x with this bracket, and then I'm going to multiply alpha with this bracket. We have done this in the formula method, that was a plus b into a minus b. So now x into x becomes x square. X into x becomes x square. Or you can more simplify as x into x minus beta minus alpha into x minus beta is equals to 0, right? So now x into x becomes x square minus x into beta becomes x beta minus x into alpha becomes x alpha. This is minus minus plus, and alpha into beta, that is alpha beta is equals to 0. Now see here middle term, x beta minus x alpha. What is common in this? That is x. So now x square minus, right? I'm going to put minus x outside the bracket. What is remaining here? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, why? Because I have taken out minus common with the x. So what is remaining here? Plus alpha beta is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation, right? When the two roots are given, and after finding the roots, then we have to write, we have to replace that roots, we have to replace the relation value in this formula. For example, I have two roots, that is -3 and -7. So what I'm going to do first is, I'm going to find alpha plus beta, right? Remember the relation what we have done. We have done alpha plus beta. Here what is alpha? Or I can write alpha is equals to -3 and beta is equals to -7. So at the place of alpha I'm going to write -3. -3 plus -7. This will become minus plus minus. That is -3 minus 7 becomes -10. So alpha plus beta is -10. Similarly, alpha into beta, that is -3 into -7. Minus minus plus 3 sevens are 21. See, now I got two values, that is alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now this both value I'm going to replace it in this equation. Suppose equation number 1. So I'm going to replace it in this equation. So x square minus, right, what is alpha plus beta? That is -10. So -10 and x, right, -10x plus alpha into beta. Alpha beta in the sense alpha into beta. What is the value of alpha into beta? That is 21 is equals to 0. Now see here, minus minus becomes plus. So what is there? X square plus 10x plus 21 is equals to 0. I got the quadratic equation from two roots. I was having two roots. That is -3 and -7. So what I have done? I have first used the relation alpha plus beta, then alpha into beta, and have placed both the value in this equation. You have to learn this equation. That is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. What I have simply done, I have put the alpha plus beta value at the place of alpha plus beta, and alpha into beta, I have put the value of alpha into beta in this, well, in this formula, right? So I got x square and x remains as it is, right? So x square minus 10x minus becomes plus 10x plus 21 is equals to 0. Is this in the quadratic equation standard form? Obviously yes. Highest degree is 2, right? Standard form was ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. You have to compare it. X square, yes, plus bx, that is 10x plus c, that is 21. So this is in the quadratic equation form. So I think so I have understood this roots, right? The next is the difference between the roots of equation x square minus 13x plus k is equals to 0 is 7. Find the k. See here, we have seen the two conditions, that was alpha plus beta and that was alpha into beta. Now the third condition have came here, the difference between the roots, right? What is the difference? Difference, that is subtraction, that is minus. Difference between the root, that is alpha minus beta, and its value is 7. So alpha minus beta is equals to 7. That is given in the question. And the equation is x square minus 13x plus k is equals to 0. And we have to find the value of k, right? So first of all, what is the equation? X square minus 13x plus k is equals to 0, right? See here, we have to write the value of a, b and c. The value of a is 1, right? Value of b is minus 13 and value of c is k, right? So now we have to find, that is alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? If you remember the condition, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Minus b by a. You have to learn this formula. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha into beta, that is c by a. So now I'm going to replace the value of b and a. What is the value of b? Minus 13. So this will become minus 13 upon value of a is 1. This is minus plus. So alpha plus beta is equals to 13. I got the alpha plus beta. And what is the given condition? This is equation number 1. And given condition is alpha minus beta is equals to 7. I got two equation. Can I solve in the linear equation method? Yes, obviously. Because beta is opposite sign. So solving equation 1 and 2. What is that? alpha plus beta is equals to 13 and alpha minus beta is equals to 7. So this becomes 2a is equals to 20. That is a is equals to 10. That is alpha. Alpha is equals to 10. Now see here, I got the value of alpha. I am going to substitute in equation 1 or equation 2. So I am going to substitute in equation number 1. In equation first. What is equation first? Alpha plus beta is equals to 13. So alpha is 10 plus beta is equals to 13. So beta is equals to 13 minus 10. So beta is equals to 3. So I got the two values, that is alpha and beta. Now I can use the second condition, that is alpha into beta. Right? So alpha into beta is equals to, what was a formula of alpha into beta? That was C by A. So alpha is 10, beta is 3. What is C? K upon 1. 10 3s are 30 is equals to K by 1, that is K. So I got the value of K. The value of K is 30. Right? See, simply what I have done, I have used both conditions. First alpha plus beta, second condition was given, that is difference between the roots, that was alpha minus beta is 7. Two equation I have solved in the linear equation form. I got the value of alpha and value of beta, and I have put in the second condition, that was alpha into beta, that was C by A. Right, the value of C, value of A, and alpha into beta, that was 30. So I got the value of K, that K is equals to 30. Right. The sum is alpha and beta are the roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. Then we have to find alpha square plus beta square, and second is alpha raised to cube plus beta raised to cube. Right? See here, alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, and we have to find this alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Now first of all, the equation is y square minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to write the value of A, B and C. Right, the value of A is 1, B is minus 2 and C is minus 7. Right. So now A, B and C, I got the value of A, B and C. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to find the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Using the formula alpha plus beta is minus B by A. What is minus B? Minus 2. So minus 2. Minus 2 upon 1. So I got the value of alpha plus beta is equals to minus plus. So alpha plus beta is equals to 2. Now second condition was alpha into beta. So alpha into beta is equals to C by A. What is the value of C? Minus 7 by 1. So I got the value of alpha into beta, that is alpha into beta is equals to minus 7. Now what I have to find is alpha square plus beta square. Right? Now for alpha square plus beta square, what is the formula? That is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta. Right? So alpha square plus beta square, at the place of alpha and beta, and alpha plus beta I am going to replace 2, and alpha into beta I am going to replace minus 7. So 2 square minus 2 into minus 7. 2 square, that is 2 2s are 4, and minus plus 2 7s are 14. So alpha square plus beta square is 4 plus 14, that is 18. So I got first one, alpha square plus beta square is 18. Now second one, what is second one? Second one is alpha cube plus beta cube. Right? So now you have to write the formula of alpha cube plus beta cube. What is the formula of alpha cube plus beta cube? That is alpha plus beta the whole cube. Alpha plus beta the whole cube. That would write plus alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta minus 3 into alpha. 3 into alpha into beta into alpha plus beta. Now I am going to replace the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, right? So alpha plus beta is 2. So 2 cube minus 3 into minus 7 into 2. Here 2 raised to cube, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. You have to multiply 2 3 times. This is 8. Now minus minus plus, right? 3 7s are 21. 21 2s are 42. So 8 plus 42 becomes 50. So alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 50. Now I got both the values. That is alpha square plus beta square is 18 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 50. I think so you have understood this question. Bye. Thank you.